Welcome to our video on a revolutionary $50 DIY home hack that can elevate your living space dramatically. Today, we'll explore the incredible transformative power of simple changes, from the magic of paint and the impact of lighting, to the importance of greenery and personalized wall art. By incorporating thoughtful accessories and making a few savvy updates, you can create an inviting atmosphere that looks 10 times better without breaking the bank. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making your house truly feel like a home. 1. The secret of paint and its transformative power. Paint is like magic in a can. For just $50, you can purchase a couple of gallons of paint, enough to transform an entire room. The right color can make a room feel bigger, brighter, or cozier. It's a simple trick that many designers use. Choosing the right shade can significantly improve the aesthetics of your home. Think of it as giving your walls a new outfit. It changes the mood instantly. A fresh coat of paint can also hide minor imperfections and breathe new life into tired walls. 2. Lighting. The underestimated game changer. Your lighting can dramatically alter the perception of space. With $50, you can buy new light fixtures or even just better light bulbs. Switching from incandescent to LED bulbs not only saves on energy bills but also enhances the brightness of your home. Good lighting can make your home look more inviting and spacious. Consider adding a floor lamp or a couple of table lamps to dark corners. Proper lighting can also highlight architectural features or art pieces, making them stand out more. 3. Revamping with rugs. Rugs are a fantastic way to add texture and color to any room. With a budget of $50, you can find a small area rug that can serve as a focal point. Rugs can define spaces, especially in open floor plans. They offer warmth and comfort underfoot, which is particularly appealing in colder months. A well-placed rug can also help protect your flooring. Look for patterns and colors that complement your existing decor to tie the room together seamlessly. 4. Wall art. Personalizing your space. Art doesn't have to be expensive to be impactful. For $50, you can purchase prints or create your own DIY art. Art adds personality and can tell a story about who you are. It's also a great conversation starter when you have guests over. Consider mixing different styles and sizes to create a gallery wall. This can be an expression of your personal taste and can make your home uniquely yours. 5. Greenery. Bringing the outside in. Plants are a simple way to breathe life into your home. For $50, you can buy several small plants or one larger statement plant. Plants not only look good, but they also have air-purifying qualities. They can reduce stress and make your home feel more serene. Even if you don't have a green thumb, there are plenty of low-maintenance options available. Adding plants can instantly make a space feel more vibrant and alive. 6. Updated hardware for a fresh look. Sometimes, the smallest changes can have the biggest impact. Updating cabinet knobs, door handles, or drawer pulls can modernize your home. With $50, you can find stylish options that suit your taste. Hardware is like jewelry for your home. It adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. This simple swap can make old furniture look new again. It's an easy DIY project that can be completed in a weekend. 7. Mirrors. Creating the illusion of space. Mirrors are a clever trick to make any room appear larger and brighter. With $50, you can invest in a decorative mirror that acts as both a functional and aesthetic piece. Placing mirrors opposite windows can reflect natural light and make the space feel airy. They can also serve as a focal point or be part of a gallery wall. Mirrors come in various styles, from modern to vintage, allowing you to match them with your existing decor. 8. Curtain call. Drapes and blinds. Changing your window treatments can have a dramatic effect on a room. For $50, you can purchase new curtains or blinds that fit your style. The right window treatment can control light, provide privacy, and add texture to your space. Opt for lighter fabrics to make a room feel airy or heavier ones for a cozier feel. Patterns and colors can also enhance the overall design of your home. 9. The power of decluttering. Sometimes, making your home look better doesn't require spending money at all. Decluttering can create a sense of order and peace. By organizing and getting rid of unnecessary items, you can make your space feel more open and inviting. It's about showcasing the things that you love and use the most. This process can also help you appreciate the space you have and make room for new memories. 10. Accessorizing with purpose. Accessories are the finishing touches that bring a room together. With $50, you can buy a few statement pieces that make a big impact. Think throw pillows, vases, or decorative bowls. Accessories can introduce new textures and colors to a room. They're also a way to update your space with the seasons or as trends change. The key is to choose items that complement your existing decor and reflect your personal style.